Welcome to the world of Univlab Technologies. We manufacture state-of-art medical devices. We started our journey in 2016 with manufacturing of laparoscopy and endoscopic light source. Univlab light source is being used by thousands of doctors across India. We also manufacture fluid management devices like hystropump, irrigation suction pump and lapropump. Our latest development is smoke evacuation system, and we are also in a process of development of insufflator and 4K camera. In this video, we would like to demonstrate Univlab lapropump LAP M1000. Univlab LAP M1000 is a cost-effective solution for irrigation and suction of fluid management during laparoscopic procedures. The LAP M1000 comes with a simple capacitive touch interface at front end, power cord, reusable Y-shaped connecting tubing set for irrigation and separate tubing set for suction. It also comes with fluid collection container and a foot switch to trigger the suction. The surgeon will have both options to trigger the suction, either from the foot or from the hand through the irrigation suction cannula. As you can see, the front of the unit has capacitive touch interface. This touch interface has two round switches, blue for suction and yellow for irrigation. You can see a parasitic roller mounting where the middle part of the irrigation tubing is rolled over. The unit also have a pressure sensor inlet where one middle end of the irrigation tubing is connected, and there is also a suction inlet where suction tubing is connected. Let me show you how irrigation tubing is connected. The irrigation tubing has three parts. The Y-shaped end is connected to the irrigation fluid bottles. The middle end goes round over the peristaltic roller and is fixed firmly with the stoppers on the irrigation tubing. Outlet of the irrigation tubing that is connected to the pressure sensor inlet of the unit. Another end of the irrigation tubing has lure lock that is connected to the irrigation suction cannula. The surgeon may use any type of irrigation suction cannula, trumpet type or any other type. The suction tubing comes into two parts. One part of the tubing is connected to the suction outlet of the unit and another end connected to one of the inlet available at the top of the fluid collection container. Take second part of the tubing and connect one end of the tubing to the second inlet available at the top of the fluid collection container, and another end is connected to the suction irrigation cannula. When both irrigation and suction tubing are connected, connect the power cord and the foot switch that are available at the rear end of the unit. Let us now switch on the unit. You will find two round switches on the front. The yellow switch is for irrigation and blue is for suction. The unit will remain on during the whole procedure and it will start working whenever the surgeon requires to do suction or irrigation. You will see rotor moving when irrigation is pressed on the cannula, and also you will hear a sound of suction motor when suction is pressed by the doctor from the suction irrigation cannula. You will see that there is a good amount of irrigation pressure to clean the surgical site with irrigation fluid, and also there is a required amount of suction to eliminate the fluid from the surgical site. The fluid is collected in the collection container, which is a part of the accessory of the unit. The Univlab's LAP M1000 is a cost-effective and value-for-money product for your surgical setup. It complies with medical EMC standard and a Class 1 medical equipment. It gives you a flow of 200 ml per minute to 1000 ml per minute and a suction pressure of 0.65 bar. It also have a irrigation and suction tube pinch detection. You can also have both options for disposable tubing and reusable tubing. This completes the demo of LAP M1000 manufactured by Univlabs. Please feel free to contact us for further information.